All right, guys, here's a continuation of the rest of our example problems. Here we have Hess's Law, example number 3. And remember, our goal in the end is to get our equation to look like the one here in the box. And the way that we do that is by rearranging these two equations to the best usage possible. So the first thing I notice is we want PCl3 as a liquid on the left-hand side, and equation 1, it's on the product side. So what we're going to do is go ahead and rewrite equation 1 so that we have 2 PCl3, and it is going to yield 2 phosphorus plus 3 chlorine. And remember, with your delta H, that's going to change the symbol, okay, on your delta H to a positive 640 kilojoules. The second thing I now notice is with my PCl3, I have it now on the left, but I have too many. So I'm going to go ahead and have everything in this equation, including the delta H, and my new equation is just going to be PCl3 yields phosphorus plus 3/2 chlorine, or if it helps, you can write it as a decimal, 1.5 chlorines. And delta H is now a positive 320. All right, and the second thing I notice is we need to get 1 chlorine on the left. Right now I have 1.5 on the right, and I have 5 in the second equation. I'm going to go ahead and skip that one for now and come back to it in a little bit, because that seems a little more challenging to try to eliminate right now. So let's go ahead and get PCl5 as our only product. Here in equation 2, there's a PCl5, but it's too many. We need to go ahead and reduce everything in the second equation by half. So if we go ahead and rewrite that, you're going to end up with phosphorus plus 5/2, or 2.5 chlorines. And they're going to yield a PCl5. And remember, you have to half your delta H, so you're going to have a negative 443 kilojoules. All right, so now we have to go back to the chlorine. And what you'll notice is we had the 1.5 chlorines, and now we have a 2.5. Remember, you can start to eliminate anything that appears on the left and the right. So at this point, we can go ahead and eliminate 1.5 chlorines, which is still going to leave us with 1 full chlorine on this side. The other thing I notice is I can get rid of this phosphorus on the right and this phosphorus on the left. And now I'm ready to go ahead and transfer everything down. So you have PCl3 liquid plus a chlorine yields PCl5. And now what we're going to do is take our delta H and we have to add them up. So we have a positive 320 and a negative 123. So delta H is going to be a negative 123 kilojoules.